What's the matter, Carter?
It's not a real one.
This is not a real what?
A real rocket ship.
It's not a real rocket ship. Where are you going to ride your rocket ship to?
Nothing.
You're not going to ride it to Mars?
No.
It's not a real rocket ship? It doesn't work. We have to use our imagination, remember? And pretend to fly to Mars. You wanted to make a real one? All we had was the box. So we made a rocket ship out of our box. We cut a door, and we drew the buttons and the steering wheel. But it's not a real one. Look at Mama. I'm sorry, it's not a real one. You don't want to make a picture?
No.
Okay. Eli's in there. Make a picture of Eli.
Yeah,
Eli's flying to Mars.